Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day. So in this video, I'm going to speak about a cue card which I've chosen for speaking in this video. And after watching my previous video, you can see like I have taken a challenge for speaking in English language. So for that, I upload videos only on like cue cards. A lot of time I speak on the topics as well. So today the topic which I've picked for speaking in today's video, it is about describing a time when you bought something from street market. So this is the topic for today's video, and I'm going to speak about this. And so I have wrote down all the words which can help me like to speak in this video. And today I'm very confident like I'm going to speak more than 2 minutes. So let's get started without wasting our time. So it was time around when I have graduated from my university, and after that I was looking for a job, and for that I need something which is like basically I'm looking for a formal shoes because I was referred to from my friend that the the in the job interview all the things which we attire so all of them which needs to be like informal. So I have all the things like basically pant shirt, but the thing which is missing is like formal shoes. For that, I just suggest from my friend that there is one market where you will get a legitimate product in a cheaper price. So I was visited the place from with my friend, right? So he just give me suggestion about like loafer shoes which is very cheaper comparison to like getting it from the shops basically. So and that is also helpful for me because I not frequently use, and I don't used to of like using formal shoes. Basically I have a casual shoes and sneaker as well, so I'm using that. So he's just told me like bought it something like reasonable because you are not using it in daily basis. So yeah, so after getting that suggestion I bought one pair of shoes which is getting me a cheaper fare like 500 bucks in Indian rupees basically. That is what I've got from there. So after getting that shoes because suggestion from his end, because he have already bought it and using it in a official thing, and so it is like beneficial for him. So after using that, it feels me it's feel like it is a legitimate product because in like cheaper fare you will get things like which is not you can use it like a longer period of time. So yeah, that is but I've got suggestion from him. And in when I visited to the job into because of like having all the things formal, it gives you the edge, and there is a your confidence is all the peak basically because you have prepared for it and there is nothing missing out. So yeah, from the attire end, he just prepared me very well, and he just give me suggestion regarding like questions as well. So this is how like I have spoke for the cue card, and today's video like I have spoken for more than 1 minute 56 second, and that is what I'm working on basically. So in upcoming days I'm going to work more on, and I'm going to like speak for more than 2 minutes because like it is actually takes time and it required your work before like uploading the video. If you are like working like 2 to 3 times, so you can speak more fluently because you have already prepared for it. But I just try to upload it like whenever I see record myself. Because of that I'm not able to do practice more, but yeah, in this is a natural process, so don't make it complicated because you are going to stop because of that. So I just try to speak, and you can also see my improvement, right? There is not much improvement, but in the longer span of time, that will help me. So in this video, that is it. I hope you something found valuable in this video. So don't forget to watch my previous video as well. So bye bye, have a good day.